Secured my ticket to Borjomi. The ticket was only 2 lari, which is less than €1. We are about to take our train. At that view, and the weather is so nice. Like, it's not cold and it's not super hot. I got myself some water from this fountain. The water tastes really good. I'm crossing some random bridge and it's so beautiful. Look at the background. This is a sign not to go further, but nothing's gonna stop me. Oh my gosh. And this one looks like a serious barrier. Okay, let's cross this. I decided to take a little break because, as you can see, like, I can't pass there at all, so I guess I'll have to go there, but we'll see. But the view here is so stunning. Oh my god. Look at this view. I can't. I got myself a strawberry ice cream and let's try it with this stunning view. I like it. I'm sitting on a bench, taking some sun, enjoying the weather. Pretty. Bathroom is enormous. It is big. It is 6 fucking a.m. I had zero sleep on the train. It was so uncomfortable. Hello everyone. I am at the Shinkani shop. So let's give it a try. Guys, they are huge. Guys, this is so beautiful. Okay guys, we safely entered the Batumi Botanical Garden. Guys, I came to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's get away. Hey, hey, what they gonna say? Guys, it feels so good to be by the beach. I can't. Just the vibes. I am done with exploring the botanical garden. It was really beautiful. I really liked it. Is it worth the money? Probably yes. But would I come back? Probably yes. But it's kind of expensive. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit and enjoy. This is the beachfront of Batumi. Guys, it is Batumi day 2. We are out hunting some pastries. A water fountain. I'm gonna drink some water. Savory pastry secured. I got lobio. It's something with beans. And now I want to go to some Turkish bakery to get some sweets. This is the outfit of the day, y'all. Guys, we are at our favorite attraction of all, of course, exploring the local supermarkets. By the way, guys, this is Batumi day 2. This is my feed for today. Let me, yeah, like this. I arrived to like a local market. Let's see what we can find here. I have no idea what's the prices though. Walking through the train bridge. This square is so beautiful. Guys, I finally found a big supermarket in Batumi Mall. I got myself the drink that my mom suggested that I should try. So I'm taking this and I'm on the hunt for some chips. And then we will go to the beach and just sit there. I love malls because they have what? They have toilets. Sometimes they are paid, but this one is free, so let's use it. We boarded the train from Batumi to Kutaisi and I'm gonna reach it in 4 hours. But honestly, it's the vibe. Do you wanna see the local toilets? To a local market. I'm eating pirashki with potato. Guys, do you think I should enter the park from this entrance or not? I mean, there's no camera, so I'm gonna just do it. Let's go, guys. I'm in. I see the proper entrance, guys. Meanwhile, look where I'm walking. Oh my God. It is my final day in Georgia. I miss my Europe. I'm going to the city center right now. By the way, the hostel that I stayed in, top. Like, I really liked it. Really super good. If I come back, I'll go back there. So good like the major drawback is the fact that they don't give towels, but I mean, whatever. So yeah, now I'm going to the city center. I'm going to spend my last like 10 lari on like some pastries for the day, and then I'll just walk around and then we'll go to the airport. I got a pastry with beans. It's really warm. Let's try it. It's actually good. I got some ice cream. It's okay. Hi doggies. Hello. They look so sad. I'm so sorry. It's the last minutes in Kutaisi. I am about to board a bus to the airport and then we're gonna fly to Latvia. I'm back to Latvia, guys. It is cold. So beautiful. Oh my god, I ate so much pastry this week. Like the level of bread I ate. No, I need to eat vegetables like 1 month straight without any bread, any gluten, nothing. It is currently 8:30 p.m. Guys, can you believe it? 8:30 p.m. and look at the sky. This makes me so happy. But anyway, I am out running. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching my vlog.